Welcome back to PMmentor, everyone. This is Matt, and as always, I'm here to simplify the complex world of SAP project management for you. Now, in the previous sections, we explored best practices and guided configuration, the foundation of SAP Activate. But let me tell you something. Even with the best processes and the best tools, your project can still fail if your delivery approach is outdated. And that's exactly why SAP Activate embraces one of the biggest game changers in modern IT delivery, Agile. So in this segment, get ready, because I am going to break down the Agile approach in SAP Activate in a way that is practical, relatable, and directly connected to real SAP projects. Section 1. Why Agile? Why now? Let's start with a simple truth. The world no longer moves in slow, predictable cycles. Business requirements change weekly. Customer expectations change daily. Cloud platforms release updates quarterly. Traditional waterfall methods where you freeze requirements upfront and deliver after 12 months simply do not work in this environment. SAP realized this early. Customers were asking, why does Blueprint take 4 months? Why can't we see the system early? Why does testing start so late? Why do we get surprises at the end? So SAP transitioned from the old plan everything first mindset to an approach built on iteration, continuous feedback, early system visibility, and flexibility to change. This is the DNA of Agile. And this DNA is deeply embedded inside SAP Activate. Section 2. What does Agile mean inside SAP Activate? Agile in SAP Activate does not mean the same as Agile in software development, like Scrum for app development. SAP projects are different. They rely heavily on configuration, they use best practices, and they require business validation. So SAP Activate uses a hybrid Agile model, a mix of classical structure and Agile execution. Here's how SAP defines Agile and Activate. 1. Short, iterative cycles. Instead of one big delivery, work happens in multiple short sprints. 2. Early and frequent demos. Stakeholders see the system in every cycle, not just at the end. 3. Continuous requirement refinement. Requirements evolve based on what business sees in the system. 4. Collaborative working model. Consultants, business users, architects, and PMs work closely in the same sprint rhythm. 5. Deliverable-based progress. Each sprint ends with something working, not just documentation. Section 3. Agile mindset in SAP Activate. Activate encourages a mindset shift. Old mindset, let's specify everything and then build. New mindset, let's start with best practices, validate with users, and refine through sprints. This mindset makes a huge difference because it means faster learning, faster issue identification, better stakeholder engagement, earlier risk visibility, less rework, and Activate every major decision is validated in system demos, not in PowerPoint. Section 4. Agile across the Activate phases. Let's go phase by phase and see how Agile is embedded. 1. Prepare phase. Set the stage for Agile. During Prepare, project teams define sprint calendar, set up Agile governance, create product backlog, assign roles, product owner, Scrum Master, and teams. Establish DoD, definition of done. This phase is where Agile planning begins. 2. Explore phase. Fit to standard plus Agile begins. This is one of the most important phases in Activate. Instead of doing a 4-month blueprint, Activate does fit to standard workshops where consultants show best practices, business gives feedback, gaps are identified immediately, requirements go into the product backlog. The Explore phase itself is Agile in nature. Daily collaboration, scope refinement, early playback sessions, rapid prototyping. This replaces traditional blueprinting with real system exploration. 3. Realize phase. Full agile execution, sprints. The realize phase is where true agile delivery happens. Work is split into sprint planning, sprint execution, sprint review, sprint retrospective. During realize, teams configure in short iterations. Developers build enhancements alongside configuration. Testers validate early. Business participates in each sprint demo. Issues are identified and fixed continuously. The system grows sprint by sprint, from a basic best practice setup to a fully validated solution. This is one of the biggest advantages of Activate. 4. Deploy phase. Final sprint, regression testing, and go live. Even in deploy, Agile continues. Final refinements, cutover rehearsal, training validation, final sprint-based adjustments. Agile ensures no last-minute surprises because stakeholders have been involved throughout the journey. 5. Run phase. Continuous improvement. After go-live, Agile enables enhancement sprints, bug fix cycles, new business requirements, quarterly cloud updates, adoption of new SAP innovations. This is crucial, especially for RISE with SAP customers who receive rolling upgrades. Section 5. Agile roles in SAP Activate. SAP Activate blends standard Agile roles with SAP-specific responsibilities. 1. Product owner, business lead. Owns requirement prioritization and acceptance. 2. Scrum master. Ensures sprint discipline, removes blockers. 3. Agile delivery team. Functional plus technical plus integration consultants. 4. Project manager. In Activate, PMs are hybrid. They manage timelines, but also oversee sprint health and ensure alignment between sprints and overall roadmap. 5. Business SMEs. Attend sprint reviews and validate solution. Agile is successful only when business participates actively, not passively. Section 6. Agile ceremonies in SAP Activate. Activate reuses Agile ceremonies but tailors them for SAP delivery. Daily stand-ups, quick status alignment, sprint planning, backlog, sprint scope definition, sprint execution, configuration, development, unit testing, sprint demos, reviews, business feedback, retrospectives, what to improve in next sprint. This keeps the project transparent, predictable, collaborative. Section 8. Agile artifacts in Activate. Let's list the core deliverables: product backlog, sprint backlog, user stories, definition of done, test scripts, process flows, configuration workbook, lightweight, sprint burndown charts, RACI and governance models. These ensure control without losing agility. Section 9. How Agile reduces SAP project risk. Agile significantly reduces common SAP risks. 1. Risk 1. Misalignment. Solved by early demos every sprint. 2. Requirement misunderstanding. Solved by fit-to-standard workshops plus backlog grooming. 3. Late testing. Solved by testing in every sprint. 4. Big bang surprises. Solved by incremental delivery. 5. Over-customization. Solved by guiding teams towards best practices. Section 9. How Agile supports RISE with SAP. RISE customers receive quarterly feature updates, continuous innovation, mandatory regulatory upgrades. Agile enables businesses to test updates early, adopt innovations quickly, maintain clean core design, and continuously evolve after go-live. Activate plus Agile plus RISE equals continuous transformation. Agile approach in SAP Activate is not optional, it is essential for modern SAP projects. It ensures early visibility, faster learning, continuous validation, strong collaboration, flexible adaptation, better outcomes. and it transforms SAP delivery from a painful marathon into a predictable, collaborative journey. In today's SAP world, Agile is not just a method, it's a survival strategy. And SAP Activate is the framework that makes it work.
Hope you're enjoying this SAP Activate tutorial. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Katend, I reply to everyone.
Thanks for watching. I hope this session helped you understand SAP Activate better. If you have questions, comment below. I'm here to help. And make sure to subscribe to PMmentor for more expert SAP and project management tutorials.